Hello, I'm Gisela Wendling, and I'm looking forward to being with you in Bergisch Gladbach later in September this year. As you can probably tell from my accent and my name, I'm actually German. I was born and raised in Germany, but have lived for well over 30 years on the west coast of the United States. So it's a real pleasure for me to be returning to Bergisch Gladbach and to share with you from my 30 years of professional practice of supporting organizations and individuals to move through and learn about change. So I'm currently the VP for Global Learning and Senior Consultant for the Growth Consultants International, and I co-direct the Global Learning and Exchange Network, the GLEN, with my professional partner and husband, David Sivet. And also part of my professional background includes involvement in academia, in particularly teaching in academia, but also these last 5 to 7 years consulting to academic institutions. So why is change so challenging if it is the DNA of life, or if it represents the DNA of life? So this and related questions led me on a journey, well, over these 30 years to uncover the deeper patterns in dynamics that are fundamental to all change processes, and that when once understood can profoundly influence our ability not only to navigate these challenges, but to cultivate, harness, and focus the generative power and the generative energy of change. So in this 2-day workshop, you will learn a time-tested and very well-researched map to the territory of change, the Wendling Liminal Pathways Change Framework. So let me just say a little bit more about where the framework comes from. It came out of my doctoral research on transformative processes. And I've worked with it for over 15 years, and I've been keeping on involving it. And now I'm completing a research study on it, on the efficacy of the model. And we'll be able to share with you how our clients and graduates from our programs have used the framework to think about change challenges, how they've applied it with their clients, how they use it in their personal lives. And I have a number of small case studies that I can share as well. And in this workshop, weaves together 3 streams of activities, if you will, like a braid. And the stream number 1, you can think of it as the conceptual understanding. You will be introduced to the Liminal Pathways Change Framework and develop an understanding of the core patterns and underlying dynamics. Stream 2 of this workshop focuses on application. And you will have a chance to apply this framework to a change challenge that has your attention right now. May that be in your professional life or in your personal life. And you will learn about what type of change it is, what phase you are in, and you will have a chance to clarify. You have a chance to clarify what exactly are the challenges that you are encountering. Naming them is part of the challenge. And so you will have a chance to work alone. You will have a chance to work with others. We will have group conversations. I will do introductory, share introductory materials. And you will also have a chance to actually design the next steps in your change process moving forward, like what resources you need, how you will do it, etc. The 3rd stream I put of this braid of learning really pertains to your own personal development. So you will gain a deeper appreciation for how not knowing, uncertainty, being ambiguity, and being vulnerable is part of your life, and how you can embrace it as an opportunity or as a threshold or a doorway into the new. putting this all together, these 3 streams of activities and learning will help you to develop your change agility, as well as your capability to guide the change of others. So I'm looking forward to being with you later in September in Bergisch Gladbach. And until then, I wish you all the best. And until then, have a good day. Bye-bye.